Hello viewers! In this video, let us see 13 different ways how we can practice self-care. Self-care is an important aspect in everyone's life. The fact is, no matter who stays with us during our lifetime, we have to live with our body and unfortunately we don't have other options. So taking care of our body and soul is the most basic thing we can do to ourselves. Before we learn the ways of self-care, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos. Make sure you watch the video till the end as every point you learn here will help. Now let us jump into the details. The first way of self-care is find your flow. Did you ever become so absorbed in a hobby that you lost track of time? That's a good thing. In fact, it's a very good thing. Whether you knit, write sci-fi, garden or work on your car, you should spend time on things that keep your full interest. When you are in this zone, your mind slows down. You feel more sure of yourself and you are not as afraid of taking risks. Make time to do what you love and you will give your life more meaning. The second way of self-care is unplug from gadgets. Stare at your screen for hours and you will miss what's going on in real life. Make it a priority to fully connect with your loved ones in person. This also allows your brain to slow down so you can better focus. It makes you calmer and lifts your mood. It may take a lot of practice to put your phone and laptop away, but try to do so more often and especially when you are with family and friends. The third way of self-care is refuse negative friendships. Toxic people can leave you drained and less sure of yourself. After spending time with them, it's easy to feel frustrated. If you have a friendship with someone like that, it's time to rethink about it. We all need true friends in our lives. Look for the ones who offer support and comfort and make you feel happy. The fourth way of self-care is go green. No matter your age or where you live, being outdoors can help you feel more calm and balanced. Studies show that time spent in nature also lessens pain, improves your focus and helps you better connect with others. If you can't get out as much as you like, sit next to a window or look at nature photos or buy a plant. These will help you feel well balanced and sensible too. The fifth way of self-care is get more shut-eye. Going to bed early can feel like a waste of time, especially when you have so much to do, but it is not. Your body and brain need plenty of sleep to be at their best. That sleep you get helps you to think clearly, be alert and handle stress. It also helps manage your immune system, heart, hormones and weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. The sixth way of self-care is move on. If you tend to feel stuck when you're stressed, getting active can get you back in the zone. Turn up your favorite playlist and dance in your living room. Swim laps. Take a brisk walk around the block. Rhythmic movements get you out of your head and into the present moment, so you're ready for the next challenge. The seventh way of self-care is give back. Clean the beach or bring a meal to a sick neighbor. When you donate time and energy to others, be it another person or a cause you believe in, you create a stronger link to the world. Helping others also gives your body and brain a good workout, boosts your self-esteem and helps you build a social support system. The more you volunteer, the happier you may feel. The eighth way of self-care is seek out happy people. You can catch others' emotions just like you would catch a cold. So watch out what vibes are the people around you spreading. When you have an option to choose, try to surround yourself with people who have a cheerful, positive outlook on life even while they face their challenges. Happy is one of the best emotions to absorb and then you, in turn, can pass it on to someone else. The ninth way of self-care is plan a getaway. Next time when you're off from work, head out of town. It doesn't have to be somewhere far or fancy. The best trips are the ones that are most relaxed. Can't travel right now? Some research shows that you may get a mood boost by simply planning your trip. It is fun to have something to look forward to, like which beach to visit or what shows to book. The 10th way of self-care is tap into thankfulness. Stop for a moment and take a note of what you're grateful for. It helps you notice that even when some things are hard, there is still good in the world and some of it has come your way. Try this. Think of someone who has helped you in a large or small way and write them a thank you note. Even if you never send it, you will still get a positive mental boost. The 11th way is jot it in a journal. Put your thoughts and feelings on paper and you may find them easier to deal with. A journal can help you see which of your worries and fears are not such a big deal, give you a chance to work through problems and break the habit of negative self-talk. Keep a paper and pen ready and try to write something every day or type it into your phone. Remember, your journal is just for you, so let your true feelings flow. The 12th way is simplify. Your home won't feel as cozy as it should if it is filled with too much stuff. Cluster makes us feel less happy about where we live as well as how we feel about ourselves. It can even prevent you from getting a good night's sleep. Little by little, chip away at what you don't need or want anymore. The last and 13th way of self-care is feed your spirit. People who tend to their spiritual side are less susceptible to worries and sadness. For some, that means prayer and worship services. For others, it has nothing to do with religion. You may simply meditate every morning. Either way, the result can be that you're better able to take on stress. When none of the self-care tips work, seek help when you need it. When a big problem hits you, and don't pretend that nothing is wrong. Speak to a counselor in private or check out a support group. It helps you get a different view of your situation so you can make your best choices. Although your problem probably won't vanish right away, get it off your chest. You will feel recharged by taking charge with help from a pro. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.